Welcome to the lecture on complex analysis, probability and statistical methods. So in this lecture, I am going to discuss about how to construct an analytical function, either u or v is given. Working procedure, step 1. Suppose if u is given and this u is a function of x and y. So we have to compute the value of ux and uy. Or if v is given and v is a function of x and y, then we have to compute vx and vy. So after finding these two partial derivatives, consider f dash of z, and it is given by what? Ux plus ivx. Similarly, if u is given and u is a function of r and theta, so we have to find the value of ur and u theta. Suppose v is given and v is a function of r and theta, then we have to find vr and v theta. So next, consider f dash of z is equal to e power minus I theta ur plus ivr. So now if u is given, then replace vx is equal to minus uy or vr is equal to minus 1 by r u theta. This is from CR equations, we got it. Similarly, if v is given, then we have to replace ux is equal to vy or ur is equal to 1 by r v theta only we have to replace. So step 3, put x is equal to z, y is equal to 0 in the Cartesian form, r is equal to z and theta is equal to 0 in the polar form. So after this one, to get an analytical function, I am going to integrate the f dash of z equation with respect to z with a constant c. Example, find the analytical function whose real part is u is equal to log of square root of x square plus y square. Here u is given in terms of x and y, so it is in the Cartesian form. So I am rewriting this u is equal to log of square root of x square plus y square as log of x square plus y square whole power 1 by 2. It will be equal to what? U is equal to 1 by 2 log of x square plus y square, I can write it. So now I am going to find the partial derivatives, ux and uy I am going to find. So ux is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by x square plus y square into 2x. So I can write ux as x by x square plus y square. Uy will be equal to what? 1 by 2, 1 by x square plus y square into 2y. It will be equal to uy is equal to y by x square plus y square, I can write it. So we know that f dash of z is equal to, we are having ux plus ivx, and I am going to change this vx as uy. Since I am having only the ux and uy value here, I will be changing vx is equal to uy. So from this I am using vx is equal to minus uy here. So after replacing this, I will be getting what? F dash of z is equal to ux minus iuy. So I will be getting f dash of z is equal to x by x square plus y square minus I into y by x square plus y square I will be getting. So now in this equation, I will be replacing x is equal to z and y is equal to 0. So if I replace this condition, I will get f dash of z is equal to z by z square plus 0. It will be equal to what? F dash of z is equal to 1 by z, I got it. So now on integrating this equation with respect to z, I can get the analytical function f of z. It is given by integration of 1 by z dz plus constant c, or f of z is equal to log z plus c, I will get it. One more example, determine the analytical function whose real part is sin 2x by cos hyperbolic 2y minus cos 2x, and also find the imaginary part. So since they have given u here, we have to find v also. So first u is equal to, they have given sin 2x by cos hyperbolic 2y minus cos 2x. I am going to find the ux value differentiating u with respect to x. I will be getting 2 cos 2x cos hyperbolic 2y minus cos 2x minus of sin 2x 2 sin 2x divided by cos hyperbolic 2y minus cos 2x whole square. Uy will be equal to what? 0 into cos hyperbolic 2y minus cos 2x minus sin 2x into 2 sin hyperbolic 2y divided by cos hyperbolic 2y minus cos 2x whole square. So now I am going to take the formula f dash of z is equal to ux plus ivx, and using vx is equal to minus uy here. So I will be getting f dash of z is equal to ux minus iuy. So I can replace both the values now. Along with that, I am going to replace x is equal to z and y is equal to 0 in the equation. So I will be getting what? F dash of z is equal to 2 cos 2z into 1 minus cos 2z minus of 2 sin square 2z by 1 minus cos 2z whole square, I got it. This is when if I replace x is equal to z, y is equal to 0 after replacing ux and uy in the f dash of z equation. So now if I simplify this further, I will be getting 2 cos 2z minus 2 cos square 2z minus 2 sin square 2z by 1 minus cos 2z whole square. So I will be getting 2 cos 2z minus 2, since because of cos square z plus sin square z will be equal to 1. So I got 2 cos 2z minus 2 by 1 minus cos 2z whole square. I'll be getting minus 2 of 1 minus cos 2z by 1 minus cos 2z whole square. So I can write f dash of z is equal to what? Minus 2 by 1 minus cos 2z or minus 2 by sin square 2z. I'll be getting f dash of z is equal to minus cosecant square z. So I want to find f of z now. On integrating this equation with respect to z, I'll get f of z is equal to integration of minus cosecant square z dz plus constant c. I'll be getting f of z is equal to cos z plus c. So now from this analytical function, I want to estimate the value of phi also. So we have f of z is equal to cos z, and it is given by u plus iv is equal to cot of x plus iy. So to find v, I am representing cot z as cot of x plus iy in terms of Cartesian form. So cot is nothing but cos by sin. I will be getting cos of x plus iy by sin of x plus iy. It will be equal to what? Cos of x plus iy into sin of x minus iy by sin of x plus iy into sin of x minus iy. So just I am multiplying and dividing with a sin of x minus iy. So I will get what now? 1 by 2 into sin of x minus iy plus x plus iy plus sin of x plus iy minus x plus iy divided by 1 by 2 into cos of x plus iy minus x plus iy minus cos into x plus iy plus x minus iy. So on simplifying this, I will be getting sin 2x plus sin plus 2iy cos 2y minus cos 2x. It will be equal to what? Sin 2x plus I sin hyperbolic 2y divided by cos 2y minus cos 2x I got it. So on further simplifying this, I'll be getting u plus iv is equal to what? Sin 2x by cos hyperbolic 2y minus cos 2x plus I into sin hyperbolic 2y by cos hyperbolic 2y minus cos 2x. So on comparing the real and imaginary part, I can choose the value of v is equal to sin hyperbolic 2y by cos hyperbolic 2y minus cos 2x. One more example, construct the analytical function whose real part is given like r square cos 2 theta. So they have given u value here, u is equal to r square cos 2 theta. So find the partial derivatives in the polar form. So I'm finding ur and u theta. So ur will be differentiating u with respect to r. I'll be getting 2r cos theta, cos 2 theta. U theta is differentiating u with respect to theta. I'll be getting minus 2r square sin 2 theta. So note as a formula, we have f dash of z is equal to e power minus I theta ur plus I vr. Since here vr is not there, I am converting vr as minus 1 by r u theta. From the CR equation, r vr is equal to minus u theta. So I will be getting what? Vr is equal to minus 1 by r minus 2r square sin 2 theta. I will be getting 2r sin 2 theta. I got it. So now I am going to replace that vr value in the equation. I will be getting f dash of z is equal to e power minus I theta. It will be equal to what? Into 2r cos 2 theta plus I 2r sin 2 theta. I got it. So now I'm going to replace r is equal to z and theta is equal to 0 in the above equation. So I'll be getting what? F dash of z is equal to e power 0 2z cos 0 plus I into 2z sin 0. Sin 0 is 1, cos 0 is sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1. So I'll be getting f dash of z is equal to 2z. On integrating this with respect to z to find f of z, I'll be getting f of z is equal to integration of 2z dz plus c, and it will become z square plus c is the required analytic function. Thank you.